Okay, so this video we are going to talk about one of the Amazon ads type. It's called sponsored products. Okay, that's what Amazon called, and it is one of the most used Amazon campaign, Amazon ads. And we need to remember, and we need to learn how to utilize these type so they can help us for our books to be seen. Okay, so first you need to learn. We talk about a lot of Amazon ads, but how Amazon actually show up our ads. Amazon use placement. So like the place, Amazon show the books, show the ads in their web page, in their homepage. And for sponsored products, there are three places we call placements. So sponsored products can appear in search results and on product pages. And there are three three placement. Okay, just remember this for now. One place is called top of search. Okay, this is near the first search result after someone type in the search bar and click the button. It will show the search result. And near the very first top, it's called top of the search, TOS. Okay. This is the best position because the potential readers will see it right in their eyes. And then there is a placement called rest of the search. So this is farther down the page 1 in other search rows or in like later pages, such as page 2, page 3. If you still see the ads, that's all called a rest of the search. And another third placement is called product page. It's on another book or a product page near the related options. Okay, we will show you where they are. Okay, so this is top of the search. So you can see this is the search results. So whenever you see the search result and in the very top, if there are sponsored text, these books are sponsored products and they are being placed in the top of the search placement. Okay, so this is the best position. So always remember that if it's possible, we want to get our books in this position. Most of the time, it will convert the best. Okay, so this is the placement of top of the search. Okay, the rest of search is like that. This is lower on the page 1 if they are also sponsored text. Okay, these are called rest of the search, or in the page 2 or in other area. Okay, it's just very simple. Other than top of the search, it's called rest of the search. Okay, this is the ROS placement. And the next one is called a product page. Okay, so this is when a user is checking up this book. And if a user or the potential reader keeps scrolling down, they will see like customers who also bought or read. Some of these books are also being advertised. So this placement is called a product page. So a lot of authors will target this book. For example, if this book is selling pretty good, so I want to just target this book. When users, potential readers is checking up this book, I want my books to be shown. So that's why I want to use this product page placement to make my books appear in this book's product list. Okay, so they are all sponsored products, but you just remember there are three types of placement. Top of the search is near the first result. That's simple. Generally the first choices. And if user is still browsing, okay, that's called the rest of the search. It's lower or later in the search. And the last one is called the product page. It's on another product page. Actually, it's another book page. We call it books because we are publishing books. So that means that users are comparing. Okay, so remember there are three placements for sponsored product of this type. So other than sponsored products, okay, as I just mentioned, there are other ads type. One is called sponsored brands. This is more likely for authors to build a brand. And there's another one called sponsored display. We will talk about these two in the later, but mostly we want to learn the sponsored products ads type SP, because this is the most used one and it's the most effective one for now, and it's the easiest one. So we want to learn how to create campaigns using sponsored product ads type. So let's just have a quick recap. So Amazon provides 3 different campaign types or ads type. And one of the most used one is sponsored products. And the sponsored products has 3 placement. One is top of the search. Second one is rest of search. And the next one is product page. Okay. All right. So this concludes this video. We will talk more about the ads in the future video.